Today I want to give you a recipe for a delicious dessert with dates. That dessert is so good, guys, and delicious. Health. And we need dates, oil, wheat flour, and cinnamon. First, I put dates inside. You can put walnuts instead of date kernels. It will be great. We need all the dates in a row in the dish. Then I sift the flour and fry it in a small pot with a little oil. And I keep stirring until the flour and oil turn brown. Then I pour this halwa, called halwa, and decorate it with cinnamon. That dessert is so good, guys. You can cook this one and try it. So delicious.